If you're a parent of a toddler, preschooler, or even a 5, 6, or 7-year-old who's still struggling with early reading skills, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Laura Beth, and welcome to Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures. I know how overwhelming it can feel to balance everyday life while worrying if your child is truly ready for school or if they're falling behind their peers. I've been there. I'm a mom of 3, and I taught all my kids to read at age 5, not because I had hours of free time or a teaching degree, but because I learned a simple step-by-step process that any parent can use. And here's what I discovered. Every child, at every age, learns to read through the same foundational skills. Whether your child is 2 or 7, whether they're just starting or starting over, you can help them build those foundations right at home. This channel is here to guide you with simple reading routines for busy families, phonemic awareness activities, letter sound strategies, early literacy tips rooted in the science of reading, and confidence-building tools for reluctant or struggling readers. My goal is to help you teach your child to read without overwhelm, without guilt, and without needing hours of free time. You are your child's most important teacher, and I'll show you exactly how to support them and build a bond that lasts a lifetime. And if you're ready for a deeper step-by-step roadmap, check out my online course, Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures. It's designed for ages 2 to 7 and gives you everything you need to build strong reading foundations at home and set them up for academic success. So if you want to give your child the best academic start, strengthen your connection, and equip them with the skills to thrive, subscribe, and let's begin creating brighter futures together.